Today we're going to be making this super easy 3-ingredient dessert. I have my KitchenAid right here, and we're going to add 1 block of cream cheese. Then I have this lemon pie filling right here. Y'all, this is so good. It's like my favorite. Okay, let's go. We're going to go ahead and open it up. We're not going to add all of it in. We're going to add about half of it. So we're going to add about half of this right in here. Right into that. Oh, it smells so good. So add about half of that. Y'all, that is so lemony and tart. It smells amazing. And then all we're going to do is we're going to beat that and blend it all together. And it probably takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Let's lift this up. Okay, I'm just going to have to taste this to see if it needs more lemon pie filling. It's perfect. So half a can, that's all you need. Okay, so then bring your muffin pan over. Now I went ahead and laid the crescent rolls. You're gonna use 2 crescent rolls, at least that's what I needed for here. And you're just gonna lay them inside of your muffin pan like that. And I like to have these pointed outward, okay? Now what we're gonna do is look how pretty that looks. Man, it is nice and pastel. So we got that cream cheese and that lemon pie filling. We're gonna take a scoop right here and just scoop that into each of these. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is gonna be so good. This would be great for parties. You got a party you need to attend. I'm telling you, it is gonna be the hit. Yes, y'all. So all you do is just scoop it in. 3-ingredient dessert. We only used half of this lemon pie, so what we're gonna do is now we're gonna scoop just a little bit of lemon pie inside of that. So like a teaspoon-ish, not too full. Now, if you don't like lemon, you could use some other kind of pie. The blueberry pie, that would be delicious, or strawberry or pineapples would be good as well. But yeah, just use whatever your family prefers. We're gonna take these sides right here. We're gonna move this over and just kind of tuck in all of these sides. So easy, okay? Let's find out where we're going here. All right, so tuck them in just like that, okay? And then they're kind of making a little ball, just like that, okay? We're covering it all up. So take that long end and then use your other ends. That long end first, then pull up if you need to. I know these are gonna be gone the first day in my house. What do you think? Is that gonna be gone in your house real quickly? We're almost done here. Got 1 more left. In the oven at 375 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Just keep your eye on it. You don't wanna burn it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Y'all, look how pretty this looked. It is crispy on top, and that pie filling is gonna be delicious. Now, the hard choice here is which one do we wanna pull out, because they all look good. I'm just gonna pick this one right here, but they all look so good. Oh, it's nice and firm on top. Okay, now we must add a little bit of powdered sugar. All right, let's taste this. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. It's so pretty, I don't even want to mess it up. All right, but look at that. Oh, look at that goo out. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Okay, y'all, this is so amazing. That cream cheese and the lemon in there are so perfect together. And then the crescent roll on top, man, this is like a delicious lemon pie. I definitely give this like a 10 out of a 10 for desserts. If you love lemon, this is like the perfect dessert. You guys have to try this. All right, guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you're looking for another really fast dessert, click on the video link right here.